I was thinking maybe I should record like the AI of my little cousin is outside there. Uh, but it's a really nice video. Everything works very nice. All the alarm stuff, sends push notifications. It went through so many thunderstorms and garbage and power outages and thunders, like it got smacked. like, but it's running, so, and it charges every single time, everything it should do. So I would say so far so good, but I think I did my part now. So yeah, there's my dog there by the bottom. I hope he doesn't mind me videotaping his house. But it's pitch black dark outside there. So it's not all color, some is black and white. But yeah,